All right, so what are we thinking? We're gonna do a landscape rock removal. Rock to be left on site, to be left somewhere there. So I'm thinking about just taking it and, kind of pushing it. That's the thought. It's not a big project, but rock, it's hard to push it without it kind of jigsawing and boiling over and getting weird. So don't know how deep we're gonna have to excavate to get the rock out, but we are gonna bring in black dirt, rototill it, seed it, fertilize it, and turn it back to grass. But that's the start. Beep. So it's my son's birthday coming up, and he wants one of those mountain bikes, and he wants to get rid of his, what he calls a kid's bike. I don't know if you've went out and priced mountain bikes for youth, kids lately, but sticker shock to say the least. So Dad went out and did this filler job to help pay for a new bike for his son. Just a quick filler job, but hope you enjoy. TR3 Rake is just a wonderful piece of equipment. All right, so the next day, this is kind of a, a filler project, so we didn't have to, slam it all in one day or one evening, or, this is only a few hours of work anyways. So we're back here. It's been a couple days, and we're going to take, a little bit of a windrow of rocks. We're going to push those to the side. We got a load of black dirt. We're going to spread that. The first thing that I normally do would take a rototiller through this. What I've kind of learned is when we're covering up old landscape, we're never going to get all the rocks, and rototilling is going to bring them to the surface. We're going to have major issues. So what we want to do is try to windrow them and then get them off as much as possible, and then take clean pulverized topsoil and spread that over the top. And we're going to bury a lot of the rocks with that. If we run into a little bit of, not enough material, this, that, and nothing, that's when we'll start rototilling and trying to blend in a bigger area. But I think for, this small little area, which small being relative, just pushing the rocks, getting a big load of black dirt delivered and spread out, spread it, grade it, seed it, fertilize it, cultipack it, should go fairly quick. But let's get to work, huh? Landscape rock removal, it's a big job. Biggest thing is where the rock's going to go. This client, luckily, we were able just to push them off site. You might have to get a roll off, you might have to get a dump trailer, get creative. We top dressed it with a little bit of pulverized black dirt, seed, fertilize, cultipack. Done deal. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully, it sparked an interest or gave you the motivation to go tackle a landscape rock removal project. And if nothing else, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. I'm Justin. I'm the Bulldog. Cheers from the Bulldog. And happy birthday, Max. Daddy loves you.